Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable and configure mobile hotspot in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you want to enable or configure your mobile hotspot, so let's see how can you do that. So to enable your mobile hotspot, you just have to go to this quick center here and you must see mobile hotspot here. You can also go to your settings and in settings just go to network and internet and look for mobile hotspot here. Click on it. And here you might see a toggle in front of mobile hotspot. Just enable this. Once I've enabled the mobile hotspot will be enabled. You might see here it's error that you're sharing your connection over the 5 gigahertz network band. The network might not appear on devices. It can only connect over 2.4 gigahertz band. So I'm sharing with 5 gigahertz, but you can change it in your adapter settings. Once you have done, you can share your Wi-Fi. If you have connected to Ethernet, so you can also share your Ethernet. And here you must see the properties. And properties, you can see your name, your password, and your band and available. And here you must see your QR code. You can also use this QR code to scan and connect. If you want to add it, just click on this edit icon. And here you have to rename your network. Once you have renamed your network, you can also change your password. Let's say I'm gonna enter the password here. Once you have entered the password, you can select network band. So you have to select any available from here. Once you have done, just click on save and it will be saved to your PC or to your mobile hotspot setting. So it must take a refresh to restart your mobile hotspot, and once it's restarted, now you can easily use your mobile hotspot with the setting you have made. So in this way, you can easily enable and configure your mobile hotspot in Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.